What's up? This your girl Ieisha. Y'all know what time it is. It's late night nail sessions. Yes, you are now tuned in to late night nail sessions. Today I'm bringing you another nail tutorial. This one is a horror themed nail art design, and it is a Stephen King movie called It, and you may know him as Pennywise. I do want to inform I do own all copyrights of my music, so enjoy. This was not purposely a horror song. The song is called Black Truck. I made it a couple years ago, but it fit perfectly with this whole video in my opinion. But anyways, this is my first time doing a nail design like this. I just kind of studied the photo and just went from there, step by step. And you can see it. I do apologize that sometimes my hand may get out of the video. I did a live video on this in the beginning and it did not record it. I'm going to use the cleanup brush to clean off the extra gel on the lip. I think the most challenging part of this nail design was trying to make sure everything was leveled out and even. Because I've never done something so detailed before like this, there was so many different steps with this. I had to really make sure everything was leveled out and even on both sides. Most of the time, my right side is better than my left, and I have to practice more on my left side. So, like, with tutorials like this, it definitely helps. Practice. So I know y'all probably wondering, what is she about to put down there? Like, I really had to improvise here. I really didn't know what color to put his shirt. The color that I saw on the picture, I didn't have that color. So I just had to use what I had and, still try to make it kind of cute, but then also kind of like, Pennywise. You just got to use what you got, Dots that I put on his forehead, they were actually to help later on with the lining of the paint on his face, and you'll see that further on. I start from the dot on his forehead and draw a line to meet past his eyebrows and closer to his eye. This is an example of what I mean by making sure that both sides are even and they look exactly the same. Time to coat it. What y'all think? Coating coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you all. And don't forget about the next late night nail sessions, Friday, August 20th at 8 p.m. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I could not forget the exciting news. I had an interview a couple months ago with Voyage KC, so you can check it out on their website at voyagekc.com. More exciting news, we can now do customized sets on WeirdoNailz.com. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to Customize Nails. You have two options, your solid colored or your customized sets. Pick your color your size, and your shape. You can add extra length, that's optional, and then you just hit checkout.